Hello everyone, today we are going to take a look at 3 different recipes for moody and bad weather I like to use. Some of you asked for a video like this and I've been waiting for some bad weather here in Valencia, Spain. And recently got some, so I went to take some photos with these recipes and also test the weather sealing of the Fujifilm 16mm f1.4, but the rain never started. All photos were taken with the Fujifilm X-T4 and the Fuji 16mm f1.4. These are the recipes I think work the best when the weather is bad, but I know there are other recipes out there, and if you know some, please share them with us in the comments below. The first recipe is from One Camera One Lens and it is called Realistic Pro, created by Mark G. Adams. The next one will be from Fuji X Weekly Forum, called Asti Amore, made by Thomas Schwab. I hope I am pronouncing your name correctly, if not, I am sorry. And the last one is created by me, and you can call it the bad weather recipe. If you find this video helpful, please watch at least half, this way it will reach more people. And if you want to support this channel, please like and subscribe. I wish you all happy holidays.